In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Microsoft Loop Task List. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a task list, assign it to the right person, and understand where those assignments show up later. Start by opening your Loop page. You can do this in the Microsoft Loop web app, the desktop app, inside Teams, or even when a Loop component is embedded in Outlook or a Teams chat. The experience is consistent across these surfaces, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. If your page doesn't already have a task list, add one in seconds. In the editor, type a / and then start typing task list. Choose task list from the suggestions, and Loop will insert a ready-to-use table for you. If you already have a task list on the page, simply scroll to it and you're ready to go. Next, add a task. Click where it says Add a Task, or place your cursor in a new row and type the task name. Keep task titles concise and action-oriented so assignees know exactly what to do. You can always add more detail in the same row or nearby on the page if needed. Now, assign the task to a person using the Assign to column. Click in the field next to your task. Type the @ symbol, then start typing the teammate's name. Select their name from the drop-down to assign the task. As soon as you make that selection, the task is officially assigned to that person. If you don't see someone in the list, they may not be part of your organization, or they might not have access to the page yet, so double-check sharing and permissions. Optionally, add a due date to keep work on track. In the due date column, click the date field and pick a date from the calendar. Due dates are helpful for prioritization and help assignees see when something needs attention. Here's what happens after you assign the task. The person you assigned it to will see that task in Microsoft To Do under Assign to Me, which makes it easy to manage alongside their personal and team tasks. In some workspaces, your Loop task list can also connect to Planner. When a linked plan exists, those tasks will appear there as well, keeping your project view aligned across tools. A quick note on current behavior. Feature availability can vary slightly depending on where you open the Loop component, and Planner visibility depends on whether a linked plan has been created. As Loop evolves, these experiences continue to improve. That's all you need to start assigning tasks in Microsoft Loop. Create your list, add tasks, assign with the @ symbol, and set due dates when needed.